Today I'm going to show you the WKLOUYHE Root Viewer Kit for kids and adults, a hands-on STEM adventure that literally lets young explorers see the growth happen right before their eyes. At the heart of this kit is its unique transparent observation window that is the planting box. This special window makes underground plant growth visible, allowing children to watch roots emerge, stretch, and branch out with every watering. It turns a simple gardening activity into an immersive educational experience. This isn't just a planter, it's a complete STEM learning toolkit. The set includes everything kids need to start their mini garden right away. The viewer box, the soil, the stickers, growth journal, and even an absorbent rope that automatically draws water from the reservoir into the soil. It's packaged to inspire curiosity from seed to sprout. To bring the science to life, the kit features a step-by-step guidebook stuffed with educational insights. It doesn't just tell kids how to plant, it explains why seeds sprout, how roots nourish the plant, and encourages independent thinking and scientific confidence. Creativity meets science, where kids can customize their kit with fun stickers and record the observations in a journal. This combination of artistic expression, responsibility, and problem solving builds a sense of ownership over the garden's progress. I had a great time setting this up and documenting the growth every day. I'm fascinated by how a large plant can grow from such tiny seeds. I mean, these seeds are tiny. So if you're looking for an ideal gift for a birthday, holiday, science fair, homeschool project, the WKLOUYHE Root Viewer Kit offers more than a toy. It delivers a rewarding journey of exploration and discovery. It's a gift that nurtures both the mind and the earth.